Hello everyone, my name is Gifty, your regular chef. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this quick and tasty oat bake. So here I'm about to start with my oat bake. I'm using mango as my puree. You can choose to use any fruit that you want as well. You can choose to add peanut, chocolate, raisins, any fruit or any flavors that you want to use. It's very easy and very quick to make as well. And I know your kids, family will love this. You can eat it hot, you can eat it cold as well. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, That's the Light. So now I'm about to blend it. We're going to add a bit of water and puree it and keep it for later. So now our puree is ready, and this is the consistency we want. Not too runny and not too thick. Yes, this is perfect. Please make sure you preheat your oven to 180 degrees before you start blending your ingredients. So in my blender here, I have my oatmeal, I have some honey, you can use sugar, I have some salt to taste, some baking soda, and I'm going to add some vanilla extract as well as my flavor as well. You can choose to use any flavor of your choice. I'm adding whole milk. You can choose to use any milk of your choice, and we are going to blend it. So here I have my baking dish which I battered to prevent the oatmeal from sticking to the bottom. So now I'm going to pour my oatmeal, add my mango puree, then we're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And our baking oat will be ready. You need to try this recipe out. It's very delicious and very tasty. You can eat it as a snack, a dessert, and a pudding. And now our oat bake is ready. Look at that, so delicious, so flavorful. You need to try this recipe out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers and viewers. Bye bye.